Hello, this is Michael Song from REGENI. Today I want to demonstrate our dryer oven RG202 and our LCD disassembly jig. And we make the anti-ESD silicone mat and disassembly tool RG513, RG512, and RG511. And then you can use this anti-ESD tweezers, and the basic concept is by using this dry oven, the forced hardware will circulate and the smartphone will be heated by the circulating hot air. And okay, let me turn off the smartphone and detach the battery and disassemble the digitizer. And okay, let us open the door and take out the sliding tray and place the smartphone and close the door, and you can push the blue button for temperature conservation, and you can increase the temperature to 70. Factory setting is 50 like this, but at first you click this blue button and click up arrow to set 70, and then you click the button to begin the heating. So I do not recommend you to heat at 80 for more than 50 minutes, so please use our direction of 80 degrees for 5 minutes. Before the time, I want to show you the LCD disassembly jig. This is the friction bar, and these two parts are suction cups, and you can loosen this fixation nuts to move upper jig. And if you lift the upper jig, you can see the lower jig, which use the two springs, and you can place the phone and fasten the fixation nut. And from the side view, if you turn this friction bar, the upper rig slowly, precisely move upward, and the sucked up glass cover can be disassembled by this jig. And when you fix any smartphone, you have to use your right hand to place the smartphone like this feeling, and move over your hand. And if your technician has some skill, you can use the disassembly tool RG270, which is made with a nanocarbon tube. And if you look at the blade, it is specially operated to prevent any scratch on the smartphone. And if you have one smartphone should be disassembled, then you may use this tool after you use the suction cups. You make some space along the brim, and you insert this tool at one corner. And at first you use the RG511 to go first round, but slowly. And when you go to first round, the depth should be a little bit shallow, not deep, like less than 1 centimeter or so. And you can see the side and whether the blade is between the LCD and the back plastic. Okay, let me turn off my phone. Okay, this is the back cover. What I mean is this plastic back, and this outer part is glass, and there is LCD between glass and outer plastic plate. So when you insert the RG512 disassembly tool, the tool should be between the LCD and back plastic plate. So you have to check, and you can use this methyl alcohol to pour at the side to reduce the stickiness of the sticky double-sided tape. Now the temperature of the dry oven is 76. After several minutes it will reach 80, and it will reach to 80 and it will maintain for 5 minutes. And when the maintenance begins, the small dot will blink. And you can use this kind of methyl alcohol bottle. Okay. After temperature reaches 80, it alarms one time, and the small dot is blinking. As you see, when the machine maintains the temperature, the small dot is blinking. And when you carefully go around with this 5-on-1, the second round you can insert the tool deeper than first round. After the left displayed temperature reached some high level, the machine has safety circuit which signal some overheat, but you can use this machine safely. under the allowable range of temperature. And as you look at the main time, the small dot is blinking. So from 5 to 10, this time countdown. So total heating time, maybe the first time will be about 10 minutes or so, but thanks to the blue button of warm up, you can save reheating time, and whenever you require the heating, you can place the phone inside for 5 minutes or so, and then take out the phone and you can try to disassemble the smartphone. So to save our total shooting time of this movie, I used the stop function, but actually the machine keep working, so actual heating time is much longer. So let me assemble my smartphone. After the countdown is closed, take out the phone, and I recommend you wear the protective glove, and the fan is still working to cool down, and do not touch any wall because the temperature of the wall is more than 120 or so. Also, you should not touch the wall, or you should not drop the phone at the bottom. There is a very good quality heating wire, and actually the wall is very hot. And when your door open, the message DO means door open. And when that is hot, okay, you can place this phone at the disassembly jig. You have to place your right hand like this and move over, and you adjust the suction cup. After adjust is closed, then you fasten the bolt. So please check the location. What I adjusted, like this filling, like this. Okay, so the rim of the black part should be in the two suction cups with well. And now you turn the precision bar. Okay, before then, okay, so suction is not completed. Try to this time. It's placed well. So
진행되고 있어요?
됐어요?
네, 전화를
여기 없으면 없는 건데.
나가는 주시요
이것도 그냥 이렇게 됐으면 예, 구분 다 됐어요.
쳐보세요.
배터리
총몇 개인 거예요?
이제 다 구분했죠. M440 이렇게 이제 개수
노트에다 저 이면에다가 SK 몇 개, 뭐몇 개. 오케이. 조금 해야 돼. 오늘 뭐 갖고 오셨어요?
아무거?
갖고 오신 게 있어요?
찔러야지. 그냥 핀으로 찔러라. 고무 사이로 툭 쳐야 돼.
저거 AS. 우리 그 베젤 갈았던 거잖아.
하나 볼까요? 디스플레이가 뭐 들라겠는데?
어? 기계가? 너 보내야 되는데? 어? SD 업로드는 거. 아하, 그럼 저기 뭐 컴도 해야 되나 무슨 거? 보낸 거는 다 컴퓨터로 나왔습니다. 그거 전화 좀 해줘야겠다. 이거 끝났을 수도 있어. 너 오늘 갖고 와야 되네, 진짜.
이거 다 드려요?
네. 정권 선수 몇 개예요?
좋다는 거예요.
나는 거죠?
예.
이거는 아무 없어. 그냥 다 수집을 해야 되는 거야.